Welcome to this tutorial video about Excel's AI built-in dynamic array formulas. A note before we get started. Anything we cover today may change tomorrow, or it might have changed right before today. We need to be flexible and adapt. AI stands for artificial intelligence. AI generally refers to the capability of a computer to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes activities like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. We need to talk about what version of Excel works before we go any further. Microsoft Excel 365 for Windows was used to create this tutorial. Excel for Mac and Excel for Web both work for the steps in this tutorial. The file needed for this tutorial is named datafile.xlsx. You can download it from http://tiny.cc/ai-files. When you open the Excel file called data file, you will see several worksheets. The one needed for this tutorial is the dynamic worksheet. A dynamic array formula is a formula that you write in one cell that returns multiple results. The results spill into adjacent columns and/or rows. There are many dynamic array functions available in Excel. In this tutorial, we will cover sequence, unique, text split, and transpose. Go to the dynamic worksheet. One of the simplest dynamic array formulas is sequence. Click in cell B3 in the dynamic worksheet and type equal sequence left parenthesis 5 right parenthesis. Then hit enter. The sequence formula spills into multiple rows, returning 5 sequential numbers starting with 1. Now let's say we want to use the sequence function to return only one row but with 5 columns. To do that, click in cell C4 and type equal sequence left parenthesis 1, 5 right parenthesis, then hit enter. The formula spills into multiple columns this time. The sequence function allows you to designate a starting value as well as a step value. So let's say we want to return 5 rows and 5 columns with a starting value of 1,000 and a step value of 100. To do that, click in cell C5 and type equal sequence left parenthesis 5, 1,000, 100 right parenthesis. Then hit enter. The formula spills into multiple rows and columns, starting with 1,000 and increasing by 100. Next, we will discuss the dynamic array function unique. Let's say we have a list of invoice numbers and we want to get a list of unique values to eliminate duplicate invoices from the list, but we want to keep the original list. To do this, click in cell D14 and type equals unique left parenthesis B14 to B21 right parenthesis, then hit enter. The formula returns the unique result spilled into multiple rows. Note that the data in the spill range of a dynamic array function cannot be changed by typing. In this example, I clicked in cell D16 and typed the number 8. When I hit enter, I got an error message. The only way to change the data in the spill range of a dynamic array function is to change the formula. The text split function in Excel is designed to split text strings based on a specified delimiter. In column I, we have a list containing department names and item class names. The data uses a colon for the delimiter. To split this column into 2 columns, click in cell J4 and type equals text split left parenthesis I4, double quote, colon, double quote, right parenthesis, then hit enter. The formula split the text at the delimiter and the data spilled over into column K. Copy the formula in cell J4 down by dragging the fill handle through cell J11. Notice the spill error in cell J10 because there was data in cell K10. The transpose function switches the orientation of a given range. It converts rows to columns and columns to rows. In cells J12 to L18, we have 6 rows of data in 3 columns, and we will use the transpose function to convert the data to 3 rows in 6 columns. Click in cell M13 and type equals transpose left parenthesis J13 to L18 right parenthesis and then hit enter. The data has been transposed. Here are some useful dynamic arrays formulas that you may want to check out on your own. All of these formulas are powered by AI features. Okay, that's it. We're done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.